They say an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. This is certainly true on the web, where it's easier to fortify your website against attacks than deal with the aftermath of a breach. Threat scanning by uRISQ helps identify vulnerabilities in your website and firewall that could leave you open to a cyber attack. The first step of setting up threat scanning should have been completed as part of your initial registration. If not, check out our Getting Started training video for instructions. Following setup, you will receive your first report notification email within 8 hours. Be sure to double-check your spam or junk folder if you don't see your report email. Your vulnerability reports can also be found in the Threat Scanning module. Under Reports, you'll find each website or firewall scan that has been performed. Click View Results to access the report you wish to review. The Website Vulnerability Report conveniently categorizes vulnerabilities by risk factor: high, medium, low, and informational, so you can easily tell at a glance which issues are most urgent. The report also outlines the types of vulnerabilities found and the location of the finding to help your web developer resolve the issue. In addition to the Website Vulnerability Report, the Firewall Vulnerability Report also categorizes findings as high, medium, low, and informational. This report identifies which ports are open and the common vulnerabilities that can be exploited. Your website and firewall will automatically be scanned every month, with convenient email notifications when each scan completes. To make your life even easier, each email will highlight any changes from the previous scan so you can focus on new developments and avoid duplicating efforts. You can even share reports directly with your IT team by adding them as a user. Simply go to the User Management section, click Add User. Enter their information, then select Website User or Firewall User and click Save. Now, you can easily coordinate with your web developer or administrator to ensure that vulnerabilities are addressed without delay. With uRISQ Threat Scanning, you can stay ahead of the curve, keeping your team informed and your website and network fortified. Leverage the entire suite of uRISQ modules for even more data protection power at your fingertips.